Hello my friends in PopMax, welcome back to my PopMax video. In today's video I am going to walk you through the home tab and we are going to discuss every single item that is appearing on the home tab, and I am going to be recording a series of video this week describing the dashboard. I have about 5 tabs within the dashboard and I want to be explaining each of them for people that are joining PopMax and they are not familiar with the dashboard. So this video will help you guys to understand a little bit more about the dashboard. So today we are starting with home tab. Let's dive right in and get this started. So when you log in into your account in your PopMax, you will see the home tab at the bottom here. Okay, so this home tab, it has a lot of stuff here that some people don't understand, but just to make things easy for everybody, I have screenshot this page and I have labeled and named and described each of these items that you are looking at. So I am going to switch over to my document so that I will explain what that is for you guys that are watching this video. So today, as I said, we are starting with home page, and then we are going to move on to team tomorrow, and then we are going to move on to the mint tab the day after, and then we are going to move on to the income tab, and then of course the last one will be assets tab. So I am going to record a separate video for each type just to make sure that people are able to access these videos easily, right? And you have to access the video that you are looking for, explanation for. Example, if you want to understand what is happening in the team, just go and look for my video for the team dashboard explaining how all of that works. So when you log, the first thing you see is the current market price of PPT, which is lying just above your left hand corner there. And if you come to your right hand here, you will see, the partial display of your decentralized wallet, and this can only display when it is connected. If it's not connected, then you need to tap on it and then connect it. Then below that, there is a promotional and advert announcement page. So here they display a lot of announcement flyers and whatever that is going on within PopMax. You will get that when you click on each of those. You will learn more about each of those flyers that you are looking at. So if you go below that, you will see again the current market price of PPT. So as you can see, it is displayed in 2 areas, one there and then one there. Now this one there will tell you that this is the past 2 days record and this is the current one, just so you know. Okay, so below that there is a graphical daily chart of the current market price of PPT, and then underneath that there is PopMax written. Now the whole idea of having PopMax there is to describe what PopMax is really. Then below that you will see where they wrote partners. So these are the partners of PopMax. They are big market players. Okay, big market players. For example, BNB Chain is a big market player in the industry. Yvonne Ventures, Canal, Dig, Utonic Protocol, and Book. There are a lot, but these are the ones that I just displayed as at when I took the screenshot. So of course these are the big players that are partnering with PopMax. Just to give you a bit of credibility of how legit the platform is. Then below that you will see where it says support. Now support are self-explanatory. They are the supporters of PopMax. Okay, and they are the best in the industry as well. If you look through Google and type CETIC, okay, this CETIC, you will notice that CETIC is one of those companies that does certification and verification of blockchain activities. So these are very, very high class companies that are supporting PopMax. And then underneath that, you will see all the social media links for PopMax. This is it. This is exactly what you see when you log in into your account on the home page of PopMax. Right? I hope this video is of value to you. If it is, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and watch the next video that says Team Tab and then understanding the dashboard of your PopMax. If you would like to register with my link in PopMax, the link is below this video description. We earn daily 1% in this platform if you choose the 360 days contract, and the minimum to start is $100. So if this is something that you fancy and you would like to join my team, by all means do so with the link below this video description. Otherwise, feel free to share this video with your team members and then let them know that there is some educational videos in my channel that will give them more knowledge about how the dashboard works and everything that you see on the dashboard on the home tab when you're logging into your PopMax. Thank you and God bless.